Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download Chase transaction history spreadsheet on Excel. First, log into your Chase account on a desktop computer. At the time of this tutorial, you cannot download spreadsheets through the Chase mobile app, so you'll need to use the website. Once you're logged in, click on the Accounts button at the top left to see all of your Chase accounts. Choose the account you want to download transactions from. After clicking into that account, you'll see your recent transactions listed. Above your transaction list, click the Download button. This will open a menu where you need to complete 3 items. First, confirm the account you want to download from if you have multiple Chase accounts. Next, choose the file type. By default, the download will be an Excel spreadsheet, but you can also select formats for QuickBooks or Quicken if needed. Finally, select the date range. You can choose a single month, a year, or a custom range depending on what your accountant needs. For example, you could download the last 60 days of transactions by selecting a start and end date. One limitation to note is that Chase only allows you to download up to 24 months of history in spreadsheet format. If you need records beyond 2 years, you'll have to pull PDF statements instead. Additionally, if you're trying to download more than 1,000 transactions, you'll need to split the downloads into smaller ranges. For example, if you have 2,000 transactions in a year, you may need to break it into 2 6-month periods or even smaller 3-month ranges depending on the volume. Once you've filled in the account, file type, and date range, click Download. A green checkmark will confirm the file has been created. On a Mac, the spreadsheet will open automatically in Numbers, while on Windows it will open in Excel. The spreadsheet includes details such as the credit or debit, posting date, description of the transaction, ending balance, and any check deposits. You can organize the data however you like or simply forward it to your bookkeeper. And that's it. That's the easiest way to download your Chase transaction history into a spreadsheet. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.